What are you making him eat? What's that?
It's a rice for the doggy.
Alright, it's time for us to color the birdhouse.
Okay, Mommy. I think so. It's getting higher, Mommy. Hey kids, Mommy, today we have we have this house.
Okay, today Mommy and me will
Mommy, and this is water and this is a
we'll
house.
make our own birdhouse. Okay, so we are going to open this packet.
Yes.
This is by Horizon Group USA.
Yes, and it's many colors.
Yes, and it says paint your own birdhouse.
Yes, and we can make some flower. We can.
What else?
And we can eat. And
You can eat.
And we can play.
Okay.
And
Are you ready to open it? Ready?
yeah.
You excited?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Let's open it. Help me. Help me
Mommy,
open it.
Mommy, can you help me?
Okay,
with
wait.
hot water? Can you give me the experiment with glass and water?
The experiment with glass and water. We won't need that today.
Why?
Later. Okay, can you show us the different colors that you have there? What
Yes.
colors do you have?
Red,
What else?
yellow,
Okay.
green,
Mm-hmm.
blue,
What else?
purple,
And
orange,
good job.
and house.
Okay. All right. So we start.
That thing.
We'll start that thing.
We have to do this.
So I think these are the different parts of the house,
Yes.
Ganga.
Yes, I think so. This is our bag, and we have this pyramid
This is so cool.
and all the kinds and all this. My, what's this?
Okay.
What's
So
this?
later, that might be part of the house.
And look, there are many colors. Can you open them?
No, the color would be the last part.
And there's this, and there's like a mistake. And we have experiment. And we have experiment. And we have experiment. And we have experiment. And we have all kinds this and this.
Careful.
This looks like a baby. And some like this. Hey kids, today this is a birdhouse now. And we have no start the painting not yet and the glitter.
Okay, so we'll start now. Let me see. Let's count. How many do you have there? You count. You count.
I know, Mommy.
Go ahead. You count so that we can divide it to both sides of your birdhouse. 1, 2. Go ahead. 3, 4,
4,
5,
5, 6, 7, and 8,
some more, and 9,
and 9,
10.
and 10, and 20,
11.
11.
11. This is like a tick. Yes, we go. And I got little for Mom. Here you go, Mommy. Here's some surprise for you.
Some surprise for me.
Yes. And we need some rice for Robert. And then we next have. And then we next eat our food.
What's the magic word?
Please.
Okay, please.
Can you open now?
Okay, please wait. And what are the colors that you have there? What are the colors that you have?
Orange and purple and blue and green and yellow and pink.
Pink?
Yes.
Is this pink? Are you sure?
Yes.
What color is this?
A pink.
It's not pink. Pink is like this. So what color is that?
Pink. Red.
Red. Good job. Okay, let's start. Pink. Oh no! Careful, careful.
Oh.
Okay.
Mommy, no. Me.
Slowly.
Wow, mommy, no.
Don't touch it. Okay.
Don't touch it.
Okay. No. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, so now what are you doing? What are you doing, Raine?
I'm starting to paint now.
Starting to paint the house.
Yes.
Are you sure you can do it?
Yes, I am there.
Be careful. Don't spill the paint, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Starting to get color. It's just like a ladder.
Just like a ladder.
Yes. Look, mommy, my color on what she will do.
It's okay. Just be careful. Be careful with the bird. Slowly. You need to do it slowly. Why are you using your left hand? Are you more comfortable using your left hand?
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's dangerous. My kulit ang akong hand.
Okay, it's dangerous.
Yes.
Oh no. So now you're using your right hand.
Yes, because it's gonna dangerous my hands.
Dangerous your hands.
Yes.
What do you need when you're painting? Do you need to concentrate?
Yes. Rub, paint and base.
What do you want to tell the kids when they're painting? They need to what?
Paint the bird.
They need to paint the bird. Should they be careful when painting?
Yes.
Okay, they need to be very careful and ask who for help.
Yes.
Ask mommy or daddy or nanay.
Mommy and daddy.
Oh no! So now the birds are also color red.
Yes!
Okay.
I got it.
You got it.
I'm gonna paint this. Mommy, what happened? What happened to Nanay?
I don't know. So she has painted all the parts of the front of the birdhouse as red. Even the birds
Alright.
are red. Even the flowers are red. But that's fine. Because at least she's learning. At least she is
And we had
using
to,
her
yes, and we need
fine
to,
motor skills.
and we had to put some rice and bird inside
Why do you need to put some rice?
because they're hungry.
They're hungry. Who's hungry?
The bird and all the bunnies.
The bunnies?
Yes. Mommy friend Panda.
Other friends.
Oh, they're nice and so cute.
They're nice and so cute.
Yes.
Okay. Oops. Yes, you. Say excuse me.
Excuse me. I love getting painting, mommy.
You love painting?
Yes,
Why do you love it?
because it's so fun.
So fun, really?
Yes.
What's fun about it?
I'm having fun with the color.
You're having fun with the colors? That's so nice to hear.
Mommy, I'm gonna paint this.
So pretty!
Mommy, hindi pa pretty ka. Start painting pa ako.
Okay, I thought it's already pretty. Okay, pag pretty.
It's starting to get color. Mommy, look, it's coming red and blue.
Yes! And
I'm so far.
it looks like the sky.
It just like a circle.
What do you need to say? Pull. Pull in. Pull. What's the magic word?
Whoa, be careful.
Please.
Please. Mommy, they're mixing yellow and blue and purple.
Okay, that's
They're
fine.
mixing.
All right, go ahead. Start now. Do you need help opening the bottles?
I think, Mommy. Can you open now? Mommy, can you open the bottle?
What's the magic word?
Please.
Okay, good job. What do you want? Orange?
Yes.
It's very difficult to open. Lola.
Yes. I agree with that.
You need Daddy's help.
Daddy, can you help us?
Really? Why do you need the water? You don't really need it.
Kibal, mix it together. Kibal and friend.
Oh, friends.
Mix it together.
Why don't you tell the kids what you're doing right now?
I'm painting some house.
What house is that?
Birdhouse.
Why do you need to paint it?
Because it's for bird.
So it has to be pretty for the birds?
I think so, Mommy.
Okay.
I think so.
And then, after painting, what will you do?
I don't know, Mommy.
What will you do with the birdhouse once you're done painting?
Some rope. We can buoy and we can catch some birds. We can give them some rice and some chicken.
Some rice and chicken?
Yes, good idea, Mommy. And now I'm gonna do.
Okay, good job. I like your idea, Raine.
Is this like a mixed Mommy?
Like lipstick?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, go ahead.
It's so yucky. And, Mommy, we forgot to paint the roof.
Go ahead, paint the roof.
I'm gonna use blue and purple and orange. It's turning black, Mommy.
See, that's why I told you don't mix them. Or you won't see the different colors.
I think so. I think so. Hooray. I think so. I'm gonna put it. Mommy, can I paint my head and make one up on hand spread?
But then it's going to be difficult for you to wash your hands.
Okay.
Want to do it?
Yes. Wow. Mommy, do you hear that sound?
What sound is that? What sound is that?
I don't know.
Is that a squirrel?
I think it's a witch.
It's a witch!
I think.
Do we have a witch here? I don't think we do.
I think so.
There's a witch? Are you scared?
I think so. My hands. Mommy, do you hear that sound again?
What sound is that?
Maybe it's a witch.
Come to Daddy.
Daddy, she can't go out.
I cannot go out.
Go ahead. Okay, so this is Raine's finished product, which is still wet. Still wet. Look. It's just a burst of colors.
Sige, crack ka lang.
So this is my 3-year-old's art form.